Hey everyone! Check out the ILIFE T20s self-emptying robot vacuum and mop combo, designed for ultimate convenience. It features a 3.5-liter dust bag that holds up to 70 days of dirt, so you rarely need to empty it. With powerful 5,000 paw suction and 4 adjustable modes, it cleans carpets, hard floors, and pet hair effortlessly. This 3-in-1 vacuum and mop combo has a 2-in-1 water tank allowing vacuuming and mopping simultaneously, saving you time. The 5200 mAh battery provides up to 260 minutes of runtime and automatically resumes cleaning after charging. Advanced LiDAR navigation creates precise maps and plans the most efficient cleaning path for your home. Control it easily via the app or Alexa for hands-free cleaning anytime. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.